In this video, we will learn how to message someone on Upwork. Let's get started. Here is my Upwork profile. If you don't have an account, first sign up with your email address. To send a message to someone on Upwork, first of all, go to the search bar and open this drop-down. Here I will choose the talent option. And here enter your name. You can see results here. From here, you can do an advanced search by using words. On the left side you can see talent quality, hourly rate, location, talent type, choose any specific category, or other filters as well. Let me send a message to this profile. Click on Invite to Job. Here in the message box, you can see a client proposal written by default. Hello. I'd like to invite you to take a look at the job I've posted. Please submit a proposal if you're available and interested. You can customize your text according to your needs, and once you are all done, click on Complete your job post. This is how you can send a message to someone on Upwork. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.